In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Amazon order pending problem and ensure payment confirmation within 20 minutes. Let's dive right in and troubleshoot this pesky issue together. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate over to Amazon's homepage by typing amazon.com in the search bar. It's always good to start from the homepage so that we have easy access to all the necessary sections of your account. Once you are on the homepage, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the option to sign in. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, starting with your email address. Enter your email and click continue. If you're finding it hard to remember which email you used, try to recall the one linked to your Amazon purchases. After that, it will ask for your password. Type it in carefully and then click the sign in button to gain access to your Amazon account. Now that you're signed in, you're again on the home page, but this time with your account information visible. Hover over the accounts and lists section, also located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on that will take you to a page displaying various account options. In this section, you need to click on Orders. Here you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. This is where we begin addressing the pending order issue. Your pending orders will usually be labeled and stay right at the top of the list. Click on the specific order that's stuck in pending status. What you want to do here is verify the payment status. Ensure that your payment method is valid and there's sufficient balance available. Often, orders hang in the balance due to a discrepancy in payment confirmation. If need be, update your payment method or retry processing the payment. Next, check on the inventory availability. Sometimes an item is marked as available when you order, but it may go out of stock by the time your order is processed. A quick check of current availability can confirm if this is causing the delay. Checking your account health is another vital step. Any restrictions on your account can lead to order issues. Visit the account health section in your settings to ascertain that everything is in good standing. Lastly, it's crucial to monitor your pending orders regularly. If the status remains unchanged, contact Amazon customer service for further help. By following these steps methodically, you should be able to resolve those annoying pending transactions and ensure that your orders are processed without delay. Good luck!